Welcome back to Phone Hacks. Did you know that your iPhone keeps a history of all the locations you visit and also time spent at each location? And anyone with your phone password can get access to it. Today I will show you how to turn it off permanently.
First go to Settings. Then scroll down to Privacy. Open Location Services. Go all the way down to System Services. As the name suggests, it shows all the services using your phone location. Go to Significant Location, put your phone password, and this is where it keeps a record of all the places you have visited and during what time. So turn it off and go down and clear history. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.